Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another delicious adventure in the kitchen. Today, I've got something truly special for you, the baked feta and green veg potato salad. This dish is a perfect blend of creamy, tangy, and fresh flavors that will leave your taste buds dancing. It's a dish that's not only bursting with flavor, but also ridiculously easy to make. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen newbie, you'll find this recipe both approachable and rewarding. Now, let me tell you a little story. This recipe has a special place in my heart, and I think it will in yours too. Picture this. It's a sunny Sunday afternoon, and you've got friends coming over. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and there's a gentle breeze in the air. You want to impress, but you don't want to be stuck in the kitchen all day. You want to enjoy the company of your friends and the beautiful weather outside. Enter the star of our show-baked feta. This ingredient is a game changer, transforming a simple salad into a gourmet experience. This is a recipe that's as much about the experience as it is about the taste. The process of making it is almost as enjoyable as eating it. First off, let's talk about our key ingredient, feta cheese. This cheese is known for its crumbly texture and tangy flavor. Feta has this beautiful, tangy flavor that just screams Mediterranean sunshine. It's like a little piece of grease right in your kitchen. But when you bake it, something magical happens. The heat transforms it into a soft, creamy delight that's simply irresistible. It becomes soft, creamy, and so rich. This texture is perfect for adding a luxurious touch to our salad. Perfect for a salad that's going to wow your guests. Alright, let's get cooking. I promise this will be a fun and rewarding experience. Start by preheating your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. This is the perfect temperature to get that feta nice and creamy. Grab a block of feta and place it in a baking dish. Make sure it's a dish that can go straight from the oven to the table for easy serving. Drizzle it with some olive oil, sprinkle on some dried oregano, and add a pinch of chili flakes if you like a bit of heat. These simple additions will elevate the flavor profile of the feta. Pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes. This is just enough time to let the feta soften and the flavors meld together. Trust me, your kitchen is going to smell incredible. The aroma of baking feta is something truly special. While that's baking, let's prepare our greens. Fresh, vibrant greens are the perfect complement to the rich, creamy feta. We're talking baby spinach, rocket, and some crunchy green beans. These greens will add a fresh, crisp element to our salad. Oh, and don't forget the potatoes. They're an essential part of this dish, adding heartiness and texture. Boil some new potatoes until they're tender, then slice them up. The potatoes will soak up the flavors of the dressing and feta beautifully. They'll add a lovely, hearty texture to the salad. Plus, they make the salad more filling, perfect for a main course. When the feta is done, take it out of the oven and let it cool just a bit. This will make it easier to crumble over the salad. Now here comes the fun part, assembling the salad. This is where all the elements come together in a beautiful, harmonious dish. In a big bowl, toss together your greens, green beans, and potatoes. Make sure everything is well mixed so each bite has a bit of everything. Drizzle with a bit more olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, and season with salt and pepper. These simple seasonings will enhance the natural flavors of the ingredients. Finally, crumble that luscious baked feta over the top. This is the crowning glory of our salad. Mix it all up and voila! You've got a salad that's not only delicious but also a feast for the eyes. You've got yourself a baked feta and green veg potato salad that's not only gorgeous to look at, but also packed with deliciousness. Each bite is a perfect balance of creamy, tangy, and fresh flavors. So, next time you're looking to impress with minimal effort, give this recipe a go. It's perfect for any occasion, whether it's a casual brunch or a fancy dinner party. It's fresh, it's vibrant, and it's an absolute crowd pleaser. Your guests will be asking for seconds, and you'll be happy to oblige. Until next time, happy cooking. Enjoy your culinary adventures and keep experimenting with new flavors.